Welcome to our smartphone gimbal showdown. Today, we are diving into a detailed comparison between the Hohem iSteady M6 and the AOCHUAN Gimbal. Both of these gimbals promise to enhance your video recording experience, but they cater to different needs and budgets. The Hohem iSteady M6 is packed with features like a built-in fill light and advanced stabilization technology, making it ideal for professional content creators. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN Gimbal offers a more budget-friendly option with its extension rod and solid stabilization capabilities. In this video, we will compare these two products across three key areas: price, features, and stabilization performance. Let's find out which gimbal is the best choice for you. When it comes to price, the Hohem iSteady M6 is priced at $209, making it a premium option. In contrast, the AOCHUAN gimbal is significantly more affordable at just $99. This price difference can be a crucial factor for many users, especially those on a budget. However, it's important to consider what features come with each price point. While the Hohem offers advanced features, the AOCHUAN provides great value for those who need a reliable gimbal without breaking the bank. In terms of features, the Hohem iSteady M6 stands out with its 3-axis stabilization, built-in magnetic fill light, and OLED display for monitoring. It also supports a payload of up to 400 grams, making it compatible with a wide range of smartphones. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN gimbal, while lacking a fill light, includes an extension rod for added versatility and ease of use. Both gimbals offer AI tracking capabilities, but the Hohem's additional features may justify its higher price for serious videographers. Finally, let's talk about stabilization. The Hohem iSteady M6 utilizes advanced stabilization algorithms, ensuring smooth footage even in dynamic shooting conditions. This makes it an excellent choice for professional use. In comparison, the AOCHUAN gimbal provides solid stabilization, but may not perform as well in extreme conditions. For casual users or those filming in less demanding environments, the AOCHUAN still offers good performance at a lower price. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and the AOCHUAN gimbal have their strengths and weaknesses. The Hohem is perfect for those who need top-notch features and stabilization, while the AOCHUAN is a fantastic budget option for casual users. Whichever you choose, both gimbals will enhance your video recording experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.